First, legislators banned the public release of autopsy photos in 2001 unless the family authorizes it. Now, this comes after the death of famed race car driver Dale Earnhardt. Now, a proposed bill goes even further. 10 News reporter Isabel Mascareñas explains why critics say this bill violates the public's right to know.
The dashboard camera of a law enforcement officer's patrol car captures every stop. But how much of that video should the public see? Last summer, dashboard videotape recorded the murders of 2 Tampa police officers. That video has prompted legislation prohibiting the public release of video, audio, or photos showing someone's death.
It's about people and their families, and sometimes it can be extremely disturbing to have that played over and over and over again on the news or, in any other forums.
Such as in the 2006 case of a Panama City teenager who died a day after he was beaten by boot camp guards. A videotape of that incident prompted changes to Florida's juvenile justice system, including the shutdown of its boot camps. That action is why Florida's First Amendment Foundation opposes the bill.
But the effect of the bill is to virtually shut down any opportunity for public oversight of law enforcement.
In the Tampa case of the 2 police officers, a judge ordered the release of the video, but only the media saw it. In a written statement, Tampa Police Chief Jane Castor says, "We see no public value in anyone viewing this video outside of a jury."
I think that everybody has a right to know what happened. Like, if there's recording of it, it should be open to the public to see that.
The proposed bill does have one exemption. Video or audio recordings or photos showing someone being killed would be available using a court order for criminal or court proceedings.
The public has a right to view these photos, and to seek a court order every time there's a tragedy is just absolutely absurd.
We want the ability for the public to know what's going on in a case, and I just always a little bit leery when the government's trying to curb those rights.
In Tampa, Isabel Mascareñas, 10 News.
Now, the Senate version of the bill has been amended. A victim's family would have the right to decide if the recordings are released to the public. The bill needs 2 more committee votes before it moves on to the floor of the House and the Senate.